I just can't believe that we got all this stuff for free.
Yep.
And I'm going to show you how we did it.
Haha. Hey guys, I'm Rob.
I'm Sabrina.
Welcome back to Homestead Hideaway. Today we want to show you guys how we got this stuff for free, sort of. If you live near Menards, this is going to be interesting to you. If you don't, we apologize. This is not going to be very relevant, but we live fairly close to Menards, so we wanted to share this if you weren't already aware.
Now, Menards is basically a home goods store or home improvement store on steroids.
Yep.
So you're always going to find what you need there, pretty much.
Right.
And they do have, every week, they seem to have these freebies. And they're freebies because they send you rebates for the amount that you're buying it for. And it comes out to be free, but you have to use that rebate back at their store. And as you know, we're doing a lot of home improvements around here, so we're in and out of that store every weekend. And since we found all these freebies, we make sure we're there every weekend.
Absolutely. So yeah, so just to explain that, you're buying the product for the value of the product, and then they're going to mail you mail in your receipt, they're going to send you a coupon or a rebate form that you can use on more product in the store. And that's basically, we just keep rolling it over. We end up getting this product for free and then use those rebates to buy other stuff that we're going to buy anyway, or buy more of this type of product. So eventually we're playing with the house's money is the kind of the goal.
Right. And not only are they free, sometimes they have you make a buck.
Yep.
So just like these right here, they're disinfectant wipes. That we made $1 on. So this actually made us $12 before we even spent any money in the store.
Yep. Not only do you get the product value back, they give you an additional $1 in rebate. So you're making an extra $1, which you can spend on more stuff. So that's pretty cool.
And it was like quantity, they do have quantity limits on things. So this was a quantity of 12. So we were limited there. These were just freebies, and I don't mean to say just freebies. These were freebies. And these are bleach wipes, and this was also a quantity of 12.
Yep. So we got miscellaneous stuff, pot scrubbers, rubber gloves, silly things like Armor All wipes for the car.
Some garbage disposal cleaners. Obviously, the better stuff has like a limited quantity of 2.
Yep.
Like these guys, they were a limited quantity of 2. And they are the drawers that you stick in. They're made of cloth. I get it. You know, the dollar store sells them too, but these are not dollar store quality. These are heavy duty quality. I'd say these go for like $8. You
got little things like cheese shredders here.
Yeah.
You can use as a shaker. I've gotten things like earplugs and safety glasses. We got a ton of dish soap, so we have plenty of that. We actually even have more of that in the other room.
Yeah, we have like 12 backup because one week they did Palmolive, and then the next week was the Brillo.
Yep. Little silly things like this that you put in campfires that make silly colors. We just give these to the neighbor for the grandkids, not something that we need, but it's a good show of good faith. We barter with them. So these are excellent barter items. These are excellent for giving away to people, yard sale items, marketplace, or just personal use to stockpile.
The perfect thing to store in your pantry for right now, considering all the prices are going up on things. So if you can collect these freebies and throw them in a closet somewhere, just knowing that you're not going to have to spend that inflationary money, if you will.
And again, barter items, you know, should it ever get to the point where hand sanitizer might be a barter item.
Right.
And to address the concern that we're hoarding this type of stuff and taking it from other people, every time we've gone to Menards, they have literally shelves full of this stuff, and they're going to make their money on it, trust me. They're not a big corporation for no reason. This is a lost leader for them, or at least they're breaking even. This
is actually their promotional money right here, because it's not easy to find this stuff. You have to go, it's like an Easter egg hunt to find this stuff throughout the store. They place it all throughout the store, so that way you have to find it in hopes that you're going to end up picking up many other things on their shelf, and most likely you're going to.
Yep, I don't think we leave for less than $200 to $400. So. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with the community that if you live near Menards and you're not taking advantage of things like this, check the weekly circular, or when you go in the store, they have them at the front desk. Just go look for the Easter egg hunt and stock up on silly items like this and get as many as you can. Get the rebates, and then just keep getting more. And again, just give them away, gift them to people, sell them, store them, whatever you got to do. But we do appreciate you guys watching this video.
And we will share all of these little hacks, tips, and tricks that we find out there.
Right.
And we'll certainly share them with you.
And please share this video with somebody else that might benefit from it. Like, comment below, let us know if you knew about this, or if there's any tips that you could share with us.
And maybe you don't have a Menards near you, but you know other people who do. Share this video with them. They would probably, a lot of people that go to Menards honestly have no idea that they're passing the back page that says free.
Right.
So yeah. All right, guys. Well, until next time.
Thanks again. We'll see you on the next one.
Bye now.